Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mindflip with Pradnya, and now in this video we'll cover a new concept which is about wherever our attention goes the energy flows. And I had already given you trailer of this concept in my latest shorts. So let me just dive deeper into this concept of what I exactly mean by wherever the attention goes the energy flows. If you all know that we are vibrating at some energy, so whatever we are doing has an energy. If you have known that experiment, words have power, you will know that what I am talking about, the energies. So everything has energy like this. I'm having one energy, the environment is having energy. You must have many time come across that feeling that whenever you enter one room you get a different type of feeling in that room, right? Same way, like whenever you enter any temple, there it is a totally different and very beautiful energy you will experience, you will feel. So like this, everywhere everything has energy. Wherever we put our attention, the energy of that will get more, right? The energy gets more. We vibrate at a energy. So whatever we feel, however we feel, whatever we experience is what all the energies are. How we are feeling in a day, like today if I'm feeling happy, I have a very good and high energy. And whenever I'm feeling low, I have very low energy. That's why you must have seen people, whoever are sad, they will try to lock themselves, or they will not go out, they will not interact with anybody. See, everyone has those energy, and we have to pay attention to where we are putting this attention. We have to pay attention on the things what we are putting attention, so that we know where our energy is been put. So for example, if we have problems in our life, then if we put problems more energy, or more energy to those problems, what will happen? Again, you'll you'll magnify your problems. If you put attention on the solutions, or if you put attention on the good things, then those good things will get magnified. So likewise, you should know where we are putting your attention. So wherever we put our attention, the energy flows. That's the reason why people live the same way. They, day by day, they are having the same experience like they have had it yesterday, because nothing they are changing, everything is same for them. I know there are a lot of problems which I am currently facing, but if I want them to not magnify, then I'll have to put my energy on the place where those problems do not exist. Basically, what I'm trying to explain in this video is we have to pay attention. We have to pay attention on what we are focusing. Are we focusing on the problems, or are we so focusing on solutions? Sometimes we have solutions on our plate, but will not be able to identify those solutions, because our attentions are not on the solution but on problems. So that's why there are chances of you magnifying those problems, because you have never paid attention on the solutions. Every time you start complaining, you tell about what things are not there, where you are lacking, all those things only you put your energy. But the places where you are in abundance, where you are do not have where you do not have any problem, there you are not putting your energy, or you are not putting focus on. That's the reason why you are having the same type of life, how it was few years back and how it will be in future also will be very same, because nothing has been changing. You're not even realizing that fact that you are not supposed to do it. You're not supposed to put your energy on the things which you do not want in your life. So in this video, I'm only trying to tell you is you should be only focusing on the things which you want in your life. So if you don't want your problems to magnify or multiply, then please don't put your attention on those problems. Okay? Try to shift your mindset now. Try to flip your mindset with this concept of not putting your energy on the things which you do not want in your life. There are a lot of things which are actually what I'm experiencing in my life. See, whenever I have noticed it about myself, that whenever I think something negative will happen, and if I keep on thinking about that, then all of a sudden I get it. Whatever I had thought, I get, because my energy has been put over there. I spend my time thinking about this problem. Actually, I get what I was thinking about. So better, from that onwards, I just thought that let me not just concentrate on those things. To conclude, I want to tell you that you should put your energy on the things which you want in life, not on the things which you do not want in your life. So from now, you just pay attention where you're putting your energy. Is it on good things or on a bad things? So please pay attention where your energy is flowing. Is it on the things which you want in life or the things which you do not want in life? If you want to learn more about mindset, then please stay connected with this channel. I'll sign off, and I'll see you in the next video now.